Greetings to all. I have come to discuss in my channel about contrasting view between bottleneck effect and founder effect. These two events are very much interesting in understanding of evolutionary biology. We can contrast these two. These two apparently similar, but there is some difference. In both the cases, bottleneck and founder, a very small number of individuals of a population grows to a large size. A small population faces the genetic drift or sampling error, and a number of genes are either lost or their frequency is decreased. In bottleneck effect, Stebbins described this. In bottleneck effect, a large population suddenly faced a kind of natural disaster, so that most of the members of larger population die off. In this population, we are observing the following types of population by genes A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Assume that this part of population die off, only this part managed to survive. In this part, this is the shape of a bottle, hence this part is bottleneck. The gene in this part or organisms that escape the calamity or disaster manage to survive, and after a long time they grow to a large population. In this population, from where the genes from this is bottleneck, the genes from bottleneck only are found in the resulting population. There is no genes in this region. There is no D, no C, no E or F in the resulting large population. This means this is high diversified parental population, but after the disaster or accident, the resulting population becomes less diversified. If we consider the founder effect that was described by Mayer, these 6 genes are also present in this parental population. Suppose that these genes are A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 types of genes in this parental population. In this population, some individuals or members become reproductively isolated. That means they can interbreed among themselves, not with others in the community. Suppose that this segment of this parental population maintains their reproductive integrity among themselves, not with B, C, D, E or F. This population over time become isolated and evolved as a new set of population. When they become genetically isolated and reproductively isolated, they are developed into new population in some cases. We can discuss about this group which becomes founder of a large population. They disperse from the parental population to different area for resource or any kind of benefits and reproduce there to form a large population, or they remain in this area within the parent population but maintaining their reproductive integrity. They maintain generation after generation their genetic identity, distinctiveness. Then, over a long time, when a large population is formed from the founder, this shows less diversity, less genetic diversity, less morphological diversity, less behavioral diversity, all kinds of diversity becomes reduced than the parental population. The situation is mostly alike. Then what's the difference? The difference lies in the destruction of parental population. This parental population faces massive accident. Most of the members of these populations die off. Only this population or the bottleneck population survives. Later on, when the environment becomes favorable to them, they reproduce freely and a new large population is found. There is no trace of this part. The body of the bottle is lost, completely lost, genetic death. But this is not the phenomenon here. The parent population, except the founder, still remain, still alive. This founder forms a new population. This population is distinct from this parent population. This shows less diversity, this shows greater diversity. Both are present in the environment, not lost. This is the main difference between bottleneck effect and founder effect. In both the cases, a small population size is considered. In this case, the bottleneck part contains few number of individuals. They have good quality of genes by which they can avoid the massive destructive effect of the accident or disaster. These genes are well adapted and make the individuals to live successfully, survive in the environment, nature. These genes, however, may or may not be good quality. They may be bad quality also. If we compare AB with CD gene, one cannot say that AB is higher quality, CD is least quality. Both the genes are equally adaptive in the environment. Maybe CD is higher quality gene. The distinction is that AB individuals conserve themselves in reproduction, not interbreed with E, F or CD. Hence, the parent population genes are all good quality types or average quality, but never we cannot say the new population has all the genes of better quality. In the bottleneck effect, these genes are certainly good quality genes that help to avoid them from the calamity or disaster. Bottleneck effect has been extensively studied in northern elephant seal. They have less diversity than the southern elephant seal. This is due to their decrease in number in large extent when human hunt them during 1890. Human intervention reduced their size. They become a small bottleneck, and after a time this northern elephant seal again grows to a large population, but with less diversity than southern elephant seal, which do not face the accident. This event is found in certain Amish community of Christianity. This community make their ritual integrity among themselves. They do not marry with members of other Christian community or families. They maintain this reproductive integrity generation after generation. Therefore, the members of Amish community show mostly homogeneous characters and distinct from other Christian communities. I hope that difference between bottleneck and founder effect is clear, and both the cases genetic drift considered as the guiding force. That's all.